All right, so congrats to them, and we're looking forward to seeing them in the semis. Now let's move on to the 400 meter for women. That was the 400-meter hurdles for men that we just gave you the updates on. The 400 meter straight for women, we have, I think, all three Jamaican women advanced. Stacey-ann Williams, she got her season's best, and her time was 50.16. She came second in Heat 1, and therefore she advances to the semis. For Heat 2, we have Nickiesha Prce, who took the winnings. Well, she won her heat in 50.02. And last but not least, we have Junelle Bromfield, who actually got third place in her heat in 51.36, and that qualifies her for the semis. Well, as you know, when it comes to the heats, it's normally the first three through. So we have three Jamaican ladies moving on to the semis for the 400-meter hurdles. Now you know they have a round for those the losers, if you know, don't like to say that word losers because not a lot of people like to hear it. But those who didn't advance to the semis, they have a round, a repertoire round. And we're seeing here that two Jamaicans did not show for the 400-meter round. So the 2024 Jamaican national men's 400-meter champion DeAndre Watkins was a no-show in the men's 400-meter repechage round. As you may know, he finished 7th in Heat 1 yesterday with a time of 45.97 seconds. So I'm not sure if he just didn't want to do that, but he did not start. We're also seeing that Sean Bailey, he also pulled up in the men's 400-meter repechage round. He was fifth in his heat 2 of the men's 400-meter with a time of 44.68, and he did not finish. So those are the updates this morning. All three ladies in the 400-meter straight, they actually got through to the semifinals. So that's Nickiesha Prce. We also have Junelle Bromfield and Stacey-ann Williams all advancing. And when it comes to the men 400-meter hurdles, we have Malik James King and also Rashawn Clarke. So that's another possibility for Jamaicans medaling. We'll let you know how they perform in the semis, and we have more coming your way later. We hope you have a blessed Monday, a blessed week. Um, Grateful for another day, grateful to be able to inform you another day. Give thanks for life. Take care of yourself and each other. As you can see, just wake up. So all the screaming yesterday from the 100-meter final, my voice has not recovered. But we'll talk about that more later. So blessings always.